Estoy soltera, está de moda, por eso ya no se enamora. Estoy soltera, está de moda, por eso no va a cambiar. Lo que quiere vacilar.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ariana, and today I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out Naptural's 85 twist out secret. My good sis Naptural, you know, her hair always look good, it always look bomb, so I'm gonna follow the steps that she's doing and hopefully get a successful twist out, because my twist outs be coming out trash, like frizz everywhere, trashy. So like I'm just really hoping my good sis Natural's tips really work for me, so that's what I'm gonna be trying. So I have my hair blown out like she did. She had her hair blown out. As you can see, right here, I already parted my hair. But back here, I've already done 2 twists because, like, I don't know, like, if I still remembered. I don't know if I remembered how to do flat twists. And the ones I did back there aren't that good, but, you know, we ain't gonna worry about that. So there's other videos on YouTube that you can actually watch that give you more detailed description on how to flat twist. I think it is kind of easy. You just have to, I'll demonstrate it for you guys so you can see. So I've already done those 2 in the back just to try it out. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with this section. So basically, she only did 3 twists, but her hair is way longer than mine. And so I'm going to do like 5. I think I'm going to do like 5 so I can get like more definition. Yeah, so we're going to get started. So the first product that she used is her, of course, her Melanin hair care. Her Melanin hair care, which I don't know if you can see. Can you guys see that? I'm going to be using this cream. This is the only thing that she used. Yeah, and I'll go ahead and link my blow dry routine somewhere over here so you can check that out if you want to see how I blow dry my hair. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the cream, take like this much, and then I'm going to put it all throughout the hair, making sure everything is moisturized. And I have a slip-in clip in the back of my hair because in her video she did a Bantu knot, and I don't know why I can't do Bantu knots. Like, I'm just like, sometimes I'm retarded when it comes to doing some things, like braiding sometimes, and yeah, Bantu knotting. Yeah, sometimes it just don't work out for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep applying so I feel like the hair is moisturized. And then I have a wide tooth comb. I'm gonna just lightly detangle the section. I'm gonna put more on my ends because that's my problem child. And then I'm just gonna make sure everything is detangled. Alright, so the next thing is, whoa, girl, I need some up here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a piece right here, like this, and then, and don't judge me if I'm doing this wrong, y'all, like, please don't judge me. Alright, so we're gonna start off with this, and then you're just basically gonna take hair, keep taking hair, like from the bottom, like this. Hold on. And I'm learning, you guys. I barely ever do flat twists anymore. Like, I'll also link her video down below so you guys can check it out. And I'm grabbing, yeah, I mean, you probably can't really see it exactly what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm gonna detangle and add more product to like right here. And she just keeps going down, but try to make it as detangled and as smooth as possible, because you don't want to have any frizz. And then once I'm done twisting, I'm just gonna go back and like make sure that I don't have any frizz. Okay. And I just keep adding more as I need. So let's see, I'm taking a look at the mirror, so let's see if we have any. So this twist looks weird, as you can see, and there's a little bit of frizz. So she said that if you see frizz or like anything, if you see any frizz, I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go back until this thing has no frizz and it's perfect. Because that's basically what she did. She said if she sees frizz or anything like, you know, that's out of the ordinary, that she goes back and she retwists it so that it's nice and smooth. And if you guys, like, always I'm blowing out hair, my hair always comes out to like a fluffy wave pattern. I was never able to get a fine curl. Like, all right, so I'm gonna attempt to do a Bantu knot, but I don't know. I just can't do it. I don't know why. My things be coming out looking crazy. Crazy. So I'm gonna hold it with a slip-in clip because my Bantu knots be unraveling. And if you have the longer ones, that's way better than the short one. Alright, so I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna break this into two. And then I'm gonna do the same steps. I'm gonna add more product into the hair. Make sure you get like right here, the top, and also your ends really good. And she did say that this is a buildable formula, so you can keep building it on. Alright, so I'm gonna just do the same thing. Break this up here. Start doing a twist like this and proceed to do my flat twist. And I really cannot flat twist, so I'm just trying. So hopefully you don't gotta be a pro to get the results that she did. But then again, her hair is always like perfect. Naptural's hair is always perfect. Tangle down here. Add more products toward the ends. And I do see here that there's a little bit of frizz, so I'm gonna go back, start from here. Until we ain't got no frizz, sis. We don't want no frizz. And I can see how unraveling the twist and redoing it could give you like a smoother, can give you more smoother results, because you're literally going back and you're smoothing out the hair. So you don't got no frizz, like. Okay. And then add a little bit more to the ends. And then I'm gonna try to attempt to do a Bantu knot. Yo, like, I'm really retarded. I cannot do a freaking Bantu knot. Okay, and this is gonna be the last one on this side. things, my bantu knots kind of stayed. But anyways, the next thing that she did was that she pinned the hair up to keep it in place. So the first thing that she did was that she tightened the hair. I just want it to be like really tight so I can get like a nice defined curl. So I'm just gonna keep twisting it. And then the next thing she does is she brings the twist like up to stretch it as far as I can up here. And then she said pin it up to a piece of hair, not your root. Keep it nice and stretched. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I think I'm gonna do this one next. And again, we're gonna make this baby tight. So I'm going to unravel the bantu, the shantu knot, because it ain't a bantu. And then I'm just gonna like tighten the twist. And then we're just gonna find somewhere to put this bad baby. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to everything. We're gonna take it off the bantu, we're gonna tighten it. And then we're gonna bring it over to pin it down and pin down the ends of it. So I'm gonna do the same thing to everything else. Okay, so for the top two twists, she says that, let me just, and I did retwist these. I didn't like how they looked before. And the only thing that I did not add in my hair that she did was the oil. And I don't know, like I don't like adding a lot of oil to my hair, so I did do without that. I'll probably just use it after. So for this, she says she goes over like to the side like this. She goes over to the side like that for her ones at the top. Alright, you guys. So my hair is all pinned up. She did put a scarf on. I'll probably do that later. I gotta run out somewhere really quick. So, yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna wait until my hair dries. I'm gonna see if her tips work for me, because like when I've been doing twist outs, they be coming out epic fails for me. The frizz be crazy. The definition don't be there. So hopefully her Naptural 85's tips work for me. The only difference was I did not add an oil with the Melanin cream. So that's the only difference. I don't really like adding too much oil to my hair. It causes a lot of product buildup for me because I'm low porosity. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this baby to dry, and then I'll come back and when it's completely dry for the takedown. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow or later. Alright guys, so I am back. I did end up putting my little scarfy scarf on to protect my twisty twist or whatever underneath. So I'm gonna take this off. And it's been about 2 days later. I did leave these in my hair for a couple days exactly like this with the scarf on. I went to the store with the scarf on. I went everywhere with the scarf on, like, get them. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the pins, the bobby pins out. So I'm gonna go through and take all of the bobby pins out. And I'm just praying like that I'm actually gonna have a successful twist out. Like, go ahead and pray for me while I'm taking out these pins. So all the pins are out of my hair. This is what we're looking like. So I'm gonna start separating now. All right, and I have some of the Melanin hair oil. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and put it on my hands, so separating can be a breeze. And my hair feels really moisturized even without the Melanin. So I'm just gonna separate. Can you guys see that? I'm excited, but I'm nervous. And it's just actually just breaking apart, which is actually surprising. I hope you guys can see this. And just take your time, because I ain't trying to let all this hard work go down the drain. I'm gonna do my best not to create any frizz. So this is what the first section is looking like so far. So we're gonna move on to the second section. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil in my hands. Okay, so everything is out right now. It actually looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good, guys. Like, what's up? So, I'm just not liking right here. I think I'm gonna stick some bobby pins right there because it's like kind of like sticking up. I think I'm gonna do that. Stick them like right here. Put that down. I don't know. And then maybe I'll have it. We're gonna bobby pin that down because it's not cooperating. And I did get a little bit of frizz, but it isn't anything serious. Like, so I'm gonna go through it and separate a little bit more because I feel like this side has more body than this one. This one looks a little bit flatter. All right, guys, to give me a little bit more volume, because I feel like I need just a little bit more volume. Just gonna pick at the roots a little bit. And I am loving my results. I finally got a good twist out and I'm excited. Like, look at the definition, y'all. Like, what's up? So there is like in this part right here, there is a little bit of frizz. I feel like I did the twist too small up front, so it probably would have been smarter for me to just do like 4 twists or 3 like she did. But I still feel like my result is good. I'm excited. They're a little bit elongated because, you know, when your twist, when you do your twists when they're wet, you get a lot of shrinkage, but I'm getting some good length. My hair's coming down to right here. I'm excited. I'm definitely going to be doing this method more often. Or probably I might blow dry my hair more often so I can try this method out. But I really like it. I feel like this method really worked. Y'all, like, I'm super hyped. Like, I never get a good twist out. Like, this looks so good to me. Like, thank you, my good sis Naptural. I feel like my results are good. My results are blessed. So yeah, I would definitely try it, especially if you're someone who struggles with like twist outs or you don't get the definition that you want when you do twist out on blow dried hair. So I would definitely try it. I love it. I guess as the days goes on, it will get bigger. It is a little bit flat, but I'm assuming that it will get bigger. Now I know what to do next time so I have less mistakes. Because there's some areas that, you know, like over here, I think I put too much product. That's why it's like a little bit more weighed down. I went in with the product, y'all. Like, I went in. You don't have to really use that much. Products are really moisturizing. My hair feels so freaking soft and moisturized. It feels like a fluffy pillow. Like, it feels Naptural 85. Her twist secret did work for me. I was able to get a successful twist out. I love it. Before you guys go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.